How to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. First, open your Binance account and go to Wallet Overview. Here, you will be able to see your estimated balance, which can be seen if you click this drop-down menu. There are options BTC, USDT, ETH, and BNB. Scroll down and you will be able to see your assets. And if you try to click this, Fiat and Spot, you will see this page, and then if you scroll down, here in the right side in the action part, you can buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, and trade. But for now, let's click withdraw. After being redirected to this page, we can now select your coins, for example, BTC, then send to the specific address of the wallet you're going to send to. And don't forget the network, it should be accurate so that you can send it successfully. As written here, unmatched networks automatically removed. You can select networks here and make sure it is correct. After that, you can select your withdraw amount. Just remember that there is a minimum amount and also a network fee. Once you are done, just click withdraw and that's it. You have successfully sent Bitcoin from Binance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.